Age of 9 within our jazz get it going. This is Madison Barnes.
From Miss Birdie, sure to get around.